This is Terrence Moore.
Assistant Prosecuting Attorney Morgan Barroso on behalf of the people.
I'm here.
Okay. Mr. Moore,
Yes, sir.
do you have a
I'm sorry, what's that?
do you have a camera?
Let me see what I can. Yeah, turn it on. Sorry about that. How do I do this? All right, is it on?
Yeah, it's on. Back
How do
up from it. Put your face in it.
Yeah, I'm trying to. Let me just flip it over. Sorry, I'm not so tech savvy. Okay.
There you
How's
go. You got it. All right. You are before the court on the charge of operating a motor vehicle without security. You understand that, sir? Meaning you didn't have insurance.
Yes, sir.
All right. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to, I believe it's 90 days, or not more than 1 year, excuse me, not less than $200 fine, and not more than $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. First question I have for you is, do you wish to be represented by an attorney?
No, sir.
So what are you going to do on this case?
I'll plead guilty, sir.
Why would you do that? Why would
well,
you give me 360? I have 365 reasons why you may not want to plead guilty to the charge.
Buckle up. Guys, today we are going to watch a courtroom moment where a simple case almost turns into a life-changing mistake. The hearing starts with technical confusion, but things get serious fast when the judge explains the charge and potential jail time. Then comes the shocker. The defendant casually says he wants to plead guilty. The judge immediately steps in, questioning that decision and hinting there are hundreds of reasons not to rush into it, instantly raising tension and stakes.
I will plead. Oh, may I hear some of these reasons?
Sir, do you wish to be represented by an attorney?
Yes.
Thank you. This is a public defender case.
Assistant Public Defender Courtroom Blessing on behalf of Terrence Moore. At this time, we would waive any further readings and stand mute to the charges.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute. Court will enter a not guilty plea. I'll adjourn the pretrial in this matter.
At this moment, the situation completely shifts. After hearing the judge's warning, the defendant reconsiders and asks for legal representation. A public defender steps in, the defendant stands mute, and the court formally enters a not guilty plea on his behalf. What looked like a quick guilty plea suddenly becomes a protected legal process, showing how close the defendant was to making a serious mistake without understanding the consequences.
To May 17th, 2023, 9 a.m. I'll set the defendant's bond at a $5,000 personal recognizance bond. I'll order standard conditions, including no assaultive behavior or weapons. There's to be no use of alcohol or any recreational marijuana or any illegal drugs. You understand all of that, sir? Mr. Moore?
I'm not following what's going on right now. I'm sorry.
What are you not following?
So you're saying that I have another court date to appear to?
Yes, May 17th.
Okay.
Just listen. In the interim, I'd suggest you talk to your attorney. There may be a way that the case goes away other than you just pleading guilty and potentially spending 1 year in jail, which is why I was asking you that question.
Okay.
Now you understand me?
I understand that part. Yes, I do.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay.
Terminology
All
is
right.
a little different.
I was here to stop you from doing something stupid.
Thank
So
you.
that's my job sometimes.
Here, the judge lays out the bond and conditions, and confusion quickly sets in. A $5,000 personal recognizance bond is explained, along with the consequences of missing court. The defendant struggles to follow, prompting the judge to bluntly explain that his role is sometimes to stop people from hurting themselves legally. The exchange highlights the power imbalance, the seriousness of court orders, and how quickly things can spiral if instructions aren't understood.
Now I'm setting bond. And I'm setting your bond at a $5,000 personal recognizance. You don't have to pay anything, but if you don't show up, you're going to owe me $5,000. We understand that? Yep,
Understood.
you got that one too, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we're kind of getting clear on each other. Now, the other thing is, I'm ordering standard conditions, which means you can't leave the state. You can't commit any other criminal offenses or anything like that. Got that?
And this is before May, the court appearance in May.
Yeah, but it's going to continue until we resolve the case. You got that?
Okay.
There should be no assaultive behavior or any use of possession of any weapons, firearms, or ammunition. You understand that?
What if I'm legally able to possess firearms?
If you legally can possess firearms, talk to your attorney, but I don't want you really possessing it, but I understand that you can legally possess.
Okay.
You understand that?
Yes, sir.
I'm also ordering no alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drug. You understand that?
Is there medicinal reasons? Does that matter? Because I do have a license.
You got a whole lot of, all right. I said, listen, I said alcohol. You got that one?
Yes, sir. No alcohol.
All right. No alcohol, no illegal drugs. You got that?
No illegal drugs. Yes, sir.
Okay, we're getting it here. All right. The other thing is no recreational marijuana.
Recreational.
You
no
got that?
recreational. Yes, sir. No
All right. So when you have the card, what kind of marijuana is that?
That is medicinal, my sir.
There you go. See, we learned something today.
Sorry, you just one step at a time with me, sir. I just want to understand.
I know. I don't even understand what's going on sometimes. I got it. But we got through it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You come back on the 17th. Now listen. You got something to write with?
This clip turns tense and unexpectedly humorous as release conditions are discussed. The judge bans alcohol, recreational marijuana, and illegal drugs, but the defendant keeps asking follow-up questions, including about medical marijuana. The back and forth grows increasingly chaotic as the judge repeatedly clarifies the rules, trying to regain control of the courtroom. It perfectly captures how small misunderstandings can stretch a serious legal moment to its breaking point. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.